Music. Want a clearer picture of your retirement? This is our review of the Bankrate Retirement Calculator. Find the link in the description below. This user-friendly tool helps everyone plan for retirement, whether you're just starting or nearing the finish line. It offers valuable insights to guide your decisions with an intuitive design. Just input key details: your current age, income, savings, and planned retirement age. Tell it your estimated retirement spending and anticipated investment returns. The calculator projects your retirement savings and shows if they'll meet your needs. Clear visuals and charts make your financial standing easy to understand, highlighting potential adjustments. Explore different scenarios: increased monthly savings, a later retirement, or adjusted investment returns. See multiple paths to a secure retirement and adapt to changing circumstances. Factor in Social Security benefits, customizing them to your claiming strategy. Bankrate offers educational resources on budgeting, investing, and retirement tax considerations. It's not just a planning tool, but a platform to boost your financial literacy. It's free, straightforward, and comprehensive. Get started on the retirement you deserve. Check the link in the description.